All right, back on the grill with Bob again. Latest addition to the grilling is over there. That's our outdoor kitchen. It's not quite done yet, but we're working on it. Today we're cooking some ribs for the families coming over. We're marinating, get a little more into it, but not today. Had too much to do. As you can see, I'd open it up, but I can't because they're smoking right now, and I got the infrared on because me and my lovely wife are going to have lunch outside, breaking her in. And we ain't got the griddle hooked up yet because I don't have a propane tank. I really don't have no use for it today. So that's about it. We'll give you another video here in about, as soon as they're ready to spray the ribs. We have a little bit of secret potion here, I tell you, but I'd have to kill you then. So, right here. So that's it. I'll get back with you in about an hour when we wet the ribs down a little bit. Or I can show you some hot dogs when I get them cooked. All right, we're back. We got a little hot dogs on the grill here for lunch. Hot dog grill out of here for lunch. How well you can see this, but I'm having this set up in a different area. Background's different. But I got the hot dogs on the infrared. Just me and my wife. That's it. Now it's time to another hour going on. This is going on the third hour. We don't want our ribs dry, so I got some secret juice here I like to put on. About every hour you can wet them down good. Spray it on there good. Don't be afraid to use any. Some people only do one side. I like to do both sides. Before I season these, there's a membrane on the back of these. I took the membrane off. You gotta get in there and pull that membrane off. Makes for a much better rib. Let them down one more time. The next hour, we're gonna wrap them in tin foil and let them cook for about 3 hours. Good for another hour. See you in an hour. All right, we're getting ready. We're on the third hour. We're going down to the third hour here. We're gonna wrap them in tin foil, double wrap them in tin foil. We're gonna get them off the grill. Oh, she's looking good. Look at them babies. Come over here, wife, and get a look. Video up on those. Look at those. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Still got 3 more hours on cooking them. These babies will be so tender they're gonna fall off the bone. Put them in there. A little of my secret sauce on them again. Spray them down good. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna pour a little bit in there. Let it simmer in there. Once this sauce hits the market, you better buy it while you can. All right, we're gonna wrap her up. That's all I got to say. Buy it when you can. It won't be around long. I only gonna make it twice a year. So we got it wrapped up in tin foil. Okay. Flip it. Remember what I said, double wrap, double wrap. Gotta use the tin foil, shit's expensive.
You like tin foil?
Double wrap. You're in there. Freeze her up. Okay, ready to go back on the grill. Back on the grill. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. This is a final cook. final burn there for 3 hours. Let me see. Yeah, shit. I can't see shit without my glasses. Where the hell are my glasses? Here they are. Alright, we're going to turn it up to, let's see what we got. We're going to bump her up to about 2 1/4 for 3 hours. Let her steady cook. Don't open it up. Don't do nothing to it. Just let her cook. And then when we get ready, we're going to cook some burgers on the infrared. We're going to eat dinner. We'll see you in a little while. We're back. We're putting the final touches here. On the grill, this is Tracy.
Oh, we got to go meet everybody.
Matt. They all come over to grub on the grills. Grub on the ribs, I mean.
Grandma.
Grandma.
Grab on the girls.
Kenny.
Kenny, and Nicole. The pain in the ass, the pain in the ass, and the pain in the ass.
And not Grandma.
And Grandma.
No, forget
Here we are. Gonna look at the grills and final touches on them. We're done. After brewing for 6
If you
hours.
want one, he'll make you a grill.
I'm not on there.
You want to zoom in on those a little bit? Those are all done. We're gonna sit down here and break bread with a minute, and that's it. Another happy day with grilling on the Bob, or on the Bob. What is it called? On the grill with Bob again.
Bob's been
We
drinking
got some
too much.
burgers here on the infrared. Burgers and hot dogs. We really didn't get a chance to use the griddle. That'll be for breakfast one day or something like that. But once we get her all broke in, final touches on the front of the grill here, which is all brick. Not done yet. But I could use a little help from my family. Help me put the brick on, but they're too busy drinking beer at this time right now. Alrighty.
He said he could use a hand from the family. Give him a hand.
Have another lovely day. Another holiday here. Memorial Day. God damn thing's been hitting me in the head all day. Alright, we're gonna break bread, drink some beer, and smoke a cigar. Signing off. On the